So some of my footage got lost or the camera went dead. I don't know what happened, but I already glued it down and picked out the baby hair. So I'm gonna just show you the rest of the video because no use to letting this go to waste. And I actually didn't glue the wig down. That's my mistake. I'm doing it now with the Got to Be Glue spray method. I'm not going to do the ghost bun this time because I'm not going to keep this wig on long. So I'm just going to use the Got to Be Glue spray for this install. Spray the Got to Be Glue around the perimeters where you want the wig to lay down. And I blow dry it after just so it can stick. Now I'm going in to cut my lace. I use a razor instead of scissors so it could blend a little better. Be careful when you're cutting with the razor. Make sure you don't cut your skin or cut too back far on the lace and mess up the whole wig. I add mousse all around the edges and the perimeter of the wig because I just cut the lace. I don't want the edges to be crunchy because of the Got to Be Glue. So that's just something I do. Yeah, and just place the elastic band directly on the edges of the lace because you're trying to get that good melt. So you want it right on the edges of the lace. While I let that melt, I'm going to go ahead and curl the front of my wig because it's a Bodywave wig. So some of it's still intact with the Bodywave. But you know, after you bleach the knots and wash it, sometimes it falls out. So the curls falls. So I'm going to recurl the top. Now I'm going to take off the elastic band and see I got a good melt. Now I'm about to press it with the hot comb, so I'm just going with my wax stick and put it all on the area where I want slick and flat. Now that I got it flat how I want it, I'm about to go in and do the baby hairs. I'm going to use my Got To Be Glue gel. I put that on first and then I put the mousse on. I put the mousse on just so it could be smooth and soft looking. I don't want it to look crunchy. So that's why I put the mousse after I do the Got To Be Glue gel. But the Got To Be Glue is going to keep it there, keep it sealed down, laid down right. I don't really know how to explain to how to do baby hair, so I'm going to just let y'all watch me. I like to take the ends of the rat tail and press against the ending of the lace where it's cut it and just press it down to make it blend a little more with my skin. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Just a quick little cute install for y'all today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If I could ask you to do one thing, and it's to subscribe to my channel if you like this video. But yeah, I think it turned out really cute. I did a good job. I'm getting better and better.